the best way to remove the paint job is actually by using fire. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be a very interesting one. We're going to show you step by step how we actually refurbish a set of rims. So before we proceed to step 1, first we need to understand what kind of rims they are restoring today. Today we're going to restore a set of original Audi stock rims. So the first step is actually to remove the current paint job. So throughout the years of restoring rims, so we found that for this style of rims, the best way to remove the paint job is actually by using fire. It's very important for us to remove the current paint job before we proceed to spray the rims. The reason why is that after many years of usage, the rim collect many dirt and grease which penetrate into the rim color itself. These are not removable by just water and soap. If you fail to remove the original paint job properly, you will see a lot of color chipping happen after 1 or 2 months. So it's very important for us to remove the current paint job before, in order to achieve a better quality of spray job. So in order for us to restore the rims to the original condition like new, this step 2 is actually one of the most important steps in restoring a set of rims. The current rims are totally naked right now. There's no any colors. This is the best time to actually look for any imperfection on the surface of the rims. As you can see, the rim did suffer quite a bit of damage. There's a lot of scratches on the surface. So we have to really smoothen out the surface of the rims. If any scratches on the surface, we have to fill it up with a lot of fillers, or what we usually call cement. So this process actually is one of the most time-consuming process in restoring a set of rims. This process might take from a few hours to even days just to make sure that the rims are in good conditions. So this is step 2 is very important. So we better get into it right now. So after the hard part, so here comes the fun one. So we're going to spray the rims with a grey color, or what we call a matte gunmetal color. So usually when we spray the rim, we like to spray the whole rim rather than just onto the surface of the rims. So let's get right to it. It's very important for us to apply lacquers onto the surface of the rims. So the lacquers is actually what protects the original colors for a long period of times. So lacquers, there's many kind of finishing. They are gloss finishing, they are matte finishing. So for this case, I'm going to put in a layer of matte finishing onto the rims. The lacquers are what protect the colors for a long time, so it's very important for us to do it properly, do it a few more times. So after the spray job, go into the oven, and then the rim's gonna stay inside the oven for at least a good 5 hours. So after many hours of spending on the rims, So this is the outcome. We spray the color of matte gunmetal onto the rims. But I personally like this color a lot. It looks very aggressive. It looks very sporty. This is actually one of the most requested colors I was asked all the time, because that compared to the original color silver, this color, once we fix onto the car, is very easy to maintain. The reason why is that the Audi or all the Continental car usually has a lot of brake dust. So when the brake dust stick onto the matte surface, actually it's not so visible. So that's why this is actually one of the most popular colors we usually offer. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to us, leave comment and share if you find this video helpful. I will see you next video.